Today, let's learn how to create this simple blog post. So there's a list of posts and you can click on each post to see the content of specific posts. And the same for the others as well, right? So now let's have a look at this code. We have the app component and we also import two other components as well. One is called blog list and the other one is called blog post. And the use state with the selected post here. So if one of the posts is selected, then it will do something, right? So by default, we just set this to null, nothing. And this is a list of posts. We have three objects. So each object, it has ID property, title, and also content, and the same for the other two. And down here, we're doing some checking, right? So we want to see if any of the posts is selected. If none is selected, then we will show a list of posts, okay? We are using the blog list component. And if not, meaning that one of the posts is selected. So we want to show the content of that post only, okay? And in the blog list component, we are passing the content via the prop to the child component, to the blog list component. So the post here, it is a list of the posts, okay? And on select post, this one, we want to see if any other post is selected or not. And for this one here, we just want to show the title of each post and show the content of each post that is selected, okay? So now let's have a look at this blog list component. We have the blog post, okay? And we are looping through the post using the map function. So this will loop through the list of posts one by one, and we are also able to click on each of the posts as well. So the post is clickable. And right here, we're just showing the content, right? So we are also passing data from the parent component to the child component. So basically, we are passing data from this app component to the blog list component, alright? We are the property and we doing another level, okay? So we are passing the data from this component to the child component, okay? So to the blog post component. So we want to show the title and also the content of each post. So the substring here is basically to check if the characters is above 100, then it will show this 3 dots. And this is the blog post component, very basic. We just getting the information, right? The data from the parent component, in this case blog list, and we show that content, right? As well as the title of the blog post. So you can click on any of the posts, then it will show, right, the content of that. The same for the others, okay? But one thing to note that this is a very basic blog post. So normally when you click on one of the posts, you're supposed to get the link to this specific post, right? But this is a very basic one just to show you how you can show a list of blog posts and be able to click on one of it. So yep, that's basically it about creating the simple blog post using React. And I'll see you guys in the next video.